Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and account. Keep the SIM active so you can receive SMS codes. Open Facebook now on the app or desktop and go straight to Settings, right arrow Personal Info. This is where phone links live. Once there, choose Phone Number and press Add. You do this first because adding while signed in verifies ownership immediately. It avoids delayed logins or lockouts. Make sure your displayed account name matches expectations to reduce additional verification steps. Now you add and verify the number. Type the full number with country code, for example +1 before US numbers, and select SMS or call for the code. Once you request the code, watch for a 4 to 6 digit message. SMS is fastest, call is fallback. Enter the code immediately and submit. If it fails, re-request after waiting a minute, since rapid requests can block delivery. This step proves you control the number and links it to your account. Finish by selecting how Facebook will use the number. Set it as primary contact, enable for login recovery, or only for notifications. Once done, tidy up by removing outdated numbers and adjusting privacy so the number isn't public. If verification fails, first check cellular reception and SMS blocking, restart the phone, then try the call option. If problems continue, wait 10-15 minutes for system propagation and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.